Hey everyone, it's Miss Juris. We are going to start our mini Wilson lesson today, and we're first going to go through our letters. And of course, when we do our letters, we start with our vowels. So if you could say them along with me, that would be great. A, apple, A. E, ed, E. I, itch, I. O, octopus, A. U, up, Now we're going to go into some consonants. We just did our vowels, so now we'll go into some consonants. J, jug, J. L, lamp, L. Q, queen, Qu. M, man, M. W, wind, W. Yellow, Y, yellow, Y. X, fox, X. Now let's do all of our digraphs. WH, whistle, W. CH, chin, Ch. SH, ship, Sh. TH, thumb, Th. CK, sock, K. So today we will do, these are welded sounds that we've been working with that you guys are all familiar with, but we're going to look at the welded sounds there that are the exception to the closed syllable welded sounds. They have the long vowel sound. So here is ILD, iled, ING, ind, OLD, old, OST, ost, OLT, olt. Now, in your announcements today, I put in a wonderful website that offers free virtual letter tiles that are movable. So today we're going to build some words, and we are going to use that tile board. So I am going to open up my screen. Here we go. So my basic tiles, we are going to build some of the following words. Fines, Ines, F. Let's see if it's in the chunks. No? So we will just spell it IND. So we have an suffix S at the end. Fines. All right, friends. Let me see here. We will put them back. The next word we're going to spell is a compound word, meaning it has two different parts to the word. Sunset. So the way you spell sunset is S, N. Then it's set. S, E, T. Sunset. It's not two different words, it's one word. Okay? It's called a compound word. Another exception to the closed syllable welded sound is old. So we're going to build the word mold. Old, old. Mold. So this website I shared on your announcements today, you're going to actually build 10 words, and I did put them in the announcements. So it's basically just practicing your spelling and practicing using this board. And just look around. They have they have the uppercase and the some more of the vowel sounds. They have prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes come at the beginning of a word. Suffixes come at the end. Oh, and look, it has the bonus letters that you use when we're building bonus letter words, which we'll do that in just a few. And then the vowel teams, which we haven't quite covered yet, but these are the vowel teams that you could practice building words with vowel teams. All right, our next word is going to be methods. M-E-Th-Th. Methods. It's going to be a digraph, and it's going to be TH. Methods. So it's talking about more than one method. So it's methods. Methods. All right. Let me put those letters back. Our last word that we're going to spell is stress. Stress. At the beginning, there's a 3-letter blend, and it ends with bonus letters. Okay? All right. So s, t, r, e, e, e. Stress. There's the bonus letter. Stress. All right. So there we have built our letters. Our words. So now we're going to go back to our PowerPoint, and we are going to read our words together. Grump, clunk, stamps, stamps, blush, squall, whisk, child, most, trunks, blinds, skunks, brunches, squints, swings, twists. Okay, that's our word reading. We are next going to read our sentences. Number 1, the jet will land here. Number 2, you will be the champ if you win. Number 3, what glasses should I get? Number 4, I asked the host if I could help with the dishes. Number 5, the post had a crack in it. Number 6, there are many boxes of gold in the chest. Number 7, some of the buns are becoming cold. Number 8, which kinds of things can we put on the wall? Number 9, I do not mind if I get cold. And number 10, I have been putting old dishes in the trash. Okay? If you need to, and you can go back and slow it down and pause after each of my readings so you can read it on your own if you would like. All right. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to spell a few of some nonsense words. Okay? So Miss Juris is going to spell the word FAMPEL. It's a nonsense word, meaning it is not real. Here we go. Am Pel. L. FAMPEL. Okay? The next nonsense word is Nixib. Nixib. These are funny, aren't they? And our last nonsense word that we're going to spell today involves a three-letter blend. Spl, spl, S-P-L, aw, says. Okay? Splosses. Now, those are all three nonsense words. All right, boys and girls, what I'd like you to do today is to please go through and do that, those 10 words that I shared in the announcements, and use your tile boards, just your interactive tiles, to build those words. Anyway, so I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.